Okay, we are back with a new video for Natalie's channel. Okay, this was kind of a weird intro, but we're gonna go with it. We're gonna roll with it. I'm sure I will be 100% embarrassed, but I'm gonna make myself post this. So I started by priming my face already, and I'm just going to take the Wet n Wild foundation, PhotoFocus foundation in Nude Ivory. Ooh, look at this girl. Ooh, that formula though. So I'm gonna take this Real Techniques Beauty Blender and bouncing this onto the skin. The only thing I don't really like about this foundation is the smell, and I'm not even sure how I feel about the smell, because like, it's a little weird, but like it's not the worst smell, but it's not great, and it definitely stands out. Like 10 years I could have flashbacks to this foundation if I smelled this. Like, it's very unique. Awesome. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention what I used to prime. I used the NYX Angel Viel primer, and now we are going to go ahead and conceal with the Milani Instant Age Rewind concealer. And now we are going to set the face with the, well, I'm taking my Colourpop Z palette thing, and I'm going to take, I don't even know what shade this is, y'all. Does it say on the bottom? Well, I'm taking their No Filter pressed powder. Anyways, we're gonna take this brush. Using the same brush, I'm gonna dip into the bronzer, the Colourpop Private Party bronzer. And now I'm going to take the Colourpop Super Shock Cheek in Prenup, which is like, I love this blush. But now we're just going to pop that on. Who the heck am I? And now I'm going to take the Real Techniques setting brush, and I'm going to go into the Colourpop here Kitty Kitty highlighter and highlight my cheekbones. Upper lip, nose. Let's go. Here we go, girl. Why am I like this? Let's go. I'm going to use the Violet Voss Pro Eyeshadow Palette in Holy Grail. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, so I'm going to take I'm going to take, what brush am I going to use, you guys? What brush should I use? I'm going to use the e.l.f. Cosmetics fluffy brush, and I'm going to take the shade Bestie in this palette and put it in my crease, in my outer corner. Now, to reflect my feelings, I'm going to take the shade Are You Kidding Me? Are you kidding me, Ian? Get off the phone. I think they heard me and shut the door. Anyways, I feel a little bad now, but oh well. I'm gonna focus this on the outer corner and drag it into the crease then. And then we're gonna move on and we're gonna use brownie points right there. This is my going out look, y'all. I don't ever go out, so I just stay in constantly. Outer corner into kind of the middle. And then just blend it all together. I'm going to take the Colourpop, shoot, I can never remember what this thing is called. It's their SuperNova liquid shadow in the shade Constellation. So I'm just going to take it straight from the brush then. And I'm going to use this little Real Techniques concealer brush. Now, so that this isn't like a super harsh line, I'm gonna take the shade Cool Beans in the palette and blend between the Constellation and the dark shadows. And then I'm gonna take the shade Bat My Eyes. Now I'm gonna take the JonteBlu Glittering Star Eyeliner. And I'm placing it really close to my lash line. If you're watching this, I want you to know that I really do love you. And so now we are going to highlight the brow bone using a different brush, which is going to be this one, this small little brush. And we're going to use the shadow Thanks a Latte. And we're going to take Thanks a Latte again on the inner corner. And I also might take Ploof, this shimmery pink shade, to just add a little bit of shimmer to the inner corner. And then I'm going to take this angled brush and I'm going to take Bestie, and starting on the inner corner of the lower lash, I'm going to drag it to the outer corner. And then I'm going to continue by using Are You Kidding Me? That's a cute name. These are really cute names in here. I'm loving it, y'all. And I'm going to start in about the same place a little bit later on in the lash. And then I'm going to continue by taking Brownie Points, the last shade that I used. And I'm going to start that on the very outer corner and drag it in. So to finish off the eyeshadow, I'm going to take the Jordana Best Lash Extreme and pump up those lashes, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna finish this off by doing the other eye, and then I will be back to finish the look. So both eyes are done. Now I'm just going to finish off the look by taking the Lorac Pro lipstick, and it is in the color Mauve, and we're going to fill my lips in with it. And we're going to set my face with the Mario Badescue facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rosewater. And there you have it, our finished look. If you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, leave any comments, and make sure to hit the notifications bell so you never miss a video. Thanks. Bye.